The concern of mankind to supply his basic needs is ancestral. It started early in prehistory with the construction of shelters. When he fixed in one place, man catalyzed his talent for invention. He transformed the space around him to improve the quality of life. But a long time would have to pass before civil engineering became what it is today. With the Roman civilization, the concept of public works was born. Civil engineering became distinct from military engineering and took its place once and for all at the service of the community. The passage of time, technique, the development of new materials and new technologies all contributed to the growth of civil engineering, bringing other opportunities, new challenges. Cities grew, great buildings and motorways are constructed, increasingly complex projects for an increasingly demanding world. Today, it is not possible to imagine the world without civil engineering. Civil engineering is everywhere. In housing, in the buildings we work in or visit, bridges and overpasses, roads, airports and railways, dams, the great works of hydraulic engineering and infrastructure for renewable energy. In the economic and social development of the country and the world. Because of the dimensions of the projects and instances of civil engineering, because of its environmental impact, because of its importance to safety and public welfare, it requires competence and responsibility. This is the commitment of a group of professionals with a mission to design and build a better world. We are responsible for planning, design, projects, construction, maintenance, regeneration, management and supervision. For all the interventions and infrastructure projects that are fundamental for improving the quality of life. We are present at all these stages, applying our skills and knowledge to achieve the result required of us: excellence. Constant commitment to innovation has allowed us to do even better, consuming fewer resources with unprecedented rigor and creativity. Civil engineers study materials, the action of earthquakes and wind, properties of the soil, the function of buildings. Based on these facts, it is the civil engineer who is responsible for planning and developing the project, sizing and specifying the structures, the design of water networks, the selection of the best processes and technologies to apply. And then on the ground, he or she will head the teams, overseeing the timings and costs, ensuring compliance with all health and safety standards and respecting the environment. In laboratories, offices, construction sites, in our hands. Global intervention, turning dreams into reality. Active engineering at the service of the population. Professional civil engineers require a complete mastery of numerous areas of science, enabling them to develop models, simulate applications, draw the right conclusions, and make decisions with careful consideration and responsibility. Portugal has all the conditions to train the best civil engineers. The Portuguese Engineers Association makes every effort to ensure that the solid goals of rigour and quality in higher education are met, but also that training is constantly updated and adapted to the latest demands of society through a commitment to continuous training, the starting point for a promising career, one that embraces the challenges of the future. With Portuguese success stories all over the world, civil engineering is today a solid and attractive profession, with a range of areas of work and employment that knows no equal, with opportunities that are born at a dizzying pace. Cities are growing every day. The world needs new solutions to build, maintain, regenerate, to go where most needed, preserving the planet that nurtures us. Civil engineering stands for social and environmental responsibility. Today, more and more, this is the challenge in the hands of a civil engineer to create a more sustainable planet, always transforming and improving quality of life on a global scale.